Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat, trading partners along Bob Iacchino. Quick crypto update. By the way, if you're new here, please do consider subscribing, ringing that bell, and hitting the like button. So over to the charts right now. There we go. Finally, we got a really strong move up. Daily entering really close to overbought position. We got a little rotation back down here, but that was not sustained. We were at that first key little area of resistance. Now we're at a next major area of resistance. But if you look at the weekly, we have a little more area we could run up to. So the next key target is, let me update this. Let me show you what I'm looking for. On a continued push higher, 43,400, declining weekly rotation zone, prior support becoming resistance. And then if we did go through there, I'd be up around 46,508 to watch for another rollover. So the minimum area I'm watching for is about this 43,400 to about 46,800 for somewhere in here for another rollover. That's on the weekly. So what I'd be watching for is a push up here with the daily and then a key close with momentum below the daily bar. But that's where we're looking at. This is finally getting it out of the oversold condition on the weekly and putting in a nice little rally. And then we're going to start watching for another key rolling over position with a minimum retest of about 31,700, 31,600 right in there. And if we start breaking below 30,200 or 30,300, we'll start watching for that potential push down to the 20,000 area. We are long-term bearish until some of the stablecoin nonsense unravels. So, but that does not mean there can be some trades to the upside. It did get to oversold condition, and now we're finally getting to a bounce. So this weekly rotation zone will be key. Over to Ethereum, also you see approaching the weekly rotation zone. Let's take a look at the daily first. So stalling out the other end of the rotation zone, and then a big power move on Friday, February 4th. Coming up here to kiss a trend line goodbye, we have a 3,080 significant level. If we continue up through there to really kiss that trend line goodbye, the next areas good that we're watching are right around the 37.5% retracement from this lows. By the way, this was an aggressive buy pattern up here, but we're watching about 3,150 to about 3,200. If we get through 3,200 on a daily closing basis, then I'm going to be upwards of about 3,400, and then I'll start watching for the other rollover. Again, rollover will be a close once we get into that area below the most recent daily bars lows. So something that confirms a rollover close, and that's what we'll be watching for. If we go upwards through the weekly rotation zones, then we will be doing another update. Also, if we do have a significant rollover, I will put out another update also. Until that happens, I will talk to everyone later. Hope you're doing great, and bye for now.